Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Right now, I am completely out of a trade. And while I remain one of the biggest Bitcoin bulls out there, yes, I still believe a mid-100,000 Bitcoin by the end of the year could be possible, I have to admit that this current formation is making me feel a bit uneasy. On the 4-hour chart, what we're seeing is a textbook bull pennant. It's clean, it's obvious, and it's tightening up right now. For those unfamiliar, a bull pennant is a continuation pattern. Traders typically wait for a breakout above the upper trend line, often placing a limit buy order just above it. Once price pushes through with volume, that confirms the move, and we usually ride it up to the technical target. The target, by the way, is usually measured by the height of the previous flagpole. In this case, Bitcoin surged from 94,000 to 104,800. That's our pull. It then consolidated around 103.5. Now the breakout area sits near 103.7. If we break through that, the projected move targets around 114,000. That would be a beautiful breakout play if confirmed with strong volume. Until then, we sit tight and watch carefully. This could turn into one of the clearest and most high conviction trades of this month, although not based in my proven strategy. I'll keep my eagle eyes on it, and so should you. I will continue updating you in the coming daily videos. Join the free Discord for real-time trading thoughts. Click the like button if you got value from this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.